crazy.
Good morning in the sunny city of Noudabou, Mauritania. Today we've got a bit of an adventure. We're off to the iron ore train, so we're gonna get ready, get some supplies. So join me in Mauritania. We're in Mauritania, West Africa, specifically the second city of Noudabou. We're here to get ready to ride the world's most dangerous train, the infamous iron ore train. To prepare, we made a shopping list for us to get ready, from food to toilet paper and everything in between. The train departs at 3 p.m. every day, so join us on our journey to get ready. Yeah, that's turban in Mauritania. And you may think, oh, it's just for looks. Actually, it has a practical sense. From what I've gathered, this has a very thin cloth. So when you sweat, the air goes through. So it becomes like a little ecosystem in your head. So it helps you cool down. And actually, I can feel it right now. My head's quite cooler. I don't need my hat anymore. So yeah, shukran Mauritania. Assalamu alaikum. And then trois khubs. Khubs. Baguette. Oui. Baguette. How much? Combien? 500.
Is that 50?
No, I think that's
50 though, isn't it? It'll be 50. Because it can't be that much of a price.
Alright. We've got our dress for the desert. I think we're ready to go. We just need some water and more supplies.
Yeah, water we can get at the last minute because
3 litres of water they said online.
Yeah, so we want to get that at the last minute.
So yeah, inshallah we'll make it. Inshallah. Get some tuna, get some calamaris, tuna tomato, pimento rojos.
They got those there, haven't they?
Okay, we need to get a sheet for the train. Need a blanket for the night because the Sahara gets cold. Say hello? You want to say hello?
Yeah.
Okay, I've just made a friend from Mauritania. What's your name?
My name is Ola.
Nice to meet you. We're off to the train today.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you been on the train?
You're going to the train?
Yes, we're going to...
Train here.
Yeah, it's a long train. Have you been?
Yeah.
Is it good or bad?
It's good.
Yeah.
Good challenge.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Thank you so
Thanks,
much.
nice to meet you. Friendly people in Mauritania. You should take a little visit. Seems very lovely here. Yesterday I got the initial shock of coming here because it's so different to what I'm used to, but waking up, having a coffee, having a walk around, meeting locals, I'm enjoying it more. I'm very excited for the train. So we've got everything we needed. We've got our shawl, we've got our blankets, water we need to get soon. That's all we basically need. We've got food, our proteins and fruit. Yeah, it leaves at 3 o'clock and it could be delayed, but get there, and we're gonna get there for 2 o'clock. I think it's a very safe, you know, we can see what's up because it's not a normal train station, it's a mining train, so we don't know what's gonna be there. So onwards to Mauritania. Chum, we're going to Chum. We're on our way to the train station. It normally costs about 500 Ouda, but this guy is doing it for 300 because we asked the hotel guy and he's supposed to be a friend, so found a good deal. Alright, so we're going to get an extra stuff, so we're going to go to the local market in Mauritania. There's a market over there, so let's see what else we need. We need some fruits and stuff and some water. It's a long old journey on the iron ore train, so let's have a gander. Assalamu alaikum. Do I have watermelon?
No, we too. I mean,
Espagnol?
Huh?
Espagnol?
¿Hablas español?
Français.
Yo creo que no es algo
Okay. You got a load of fucking oranges. It could be 14.
I've got a point here.
How do you... Croissants?
Let's do it. Take a calculator.
Okay. 150. Is there anything else we need? Water?
Water. Here.
What's in here? Oh, I'm looking around here. Look at this market. So this is the market of Noudabou. Okay, let's have a look in there. Need water. So welcome to Gare de Voyages, train station for the world's most dangerous train. A taxi here was 340. What's the name of this currency? Odua. And for the supply, it's about 16-hour journey to Chum. We've got water. Come, cameraman. We've got water. We've got the cheapest bread I've ever had. All of this is like 50. Snacks, dates, cheeky banana. Actually, I really like the cheeky banana. This was about 100, and this is essential. It's like a little ecosystem I had. When you sweat, the wind comes, blows it all away. I feel gorgeous in this. So yeah. Wish me luck on our little journey. Anyone got to say anything? Nico, Mr. Nico, the American.
Yeah, it's good to be back here. I feel like it's gonna be a blast again. These guys have no idea what's coming up. It's gonna be crazy.
Things these other people don't have, but I became prepared after my research. I've got this water filter. It's got a filter in it. I also have these desert goggles. And I also have in here, this was very important, I heard this was.
I can't even put it on.
So I've got this bad boy. It's a flashlight. It's gonna be good in the night because there's no lights on the mining train. So I've heard about living in China. They were all maybe less than £10 each. The joys of living in Beijing, getting all this quite cheap from the factories.
That's it.
Oh, looking good. Looking the nice camise. Ready with my desert goggles. These cost £3 on Taobao, Chinese Amazon. Good price. And I was wearing my glasses before, getting stuff in my eye. So I really recommend this. Now it's, well, perfect. I look like a little bit of a silly Billy, but the price you pay for a comfortable glasses. What do we have here? Got biscuits, nuts. BNBNs?
Look like a round.
Oh yeah, BNBN. BNBN. Wasn't there some cultural problems right now? The cultural appropriation, it looks like. I'm feeling offended and I'm not even Mauritanian.
Very
Following Nico's advice.
I might put my bags inside because they're already.
You're doing completely wrong, by the way.
Am I? Why is no one stopping me though?
Because it's too funny.
Does this like look really bad?
It looks. I feel offended. I don't know why.
Pretty small.
Another thing we bought is bin bags. It gets dirty, it's iron ore, so we're going to be covered in iron ore. Put bin bags on all your stuff, be as clean as possible, and also wet wipes so we can eat with our hands every so often because we don't want iron ore on our food and eating iron ore. So it's about 3:30. Online it says, or when you're asking around, 3 o'clock it leaves, but it's a mining company train. It's not a passenger train, so they don't care when they leave. They leave when they leave. And there's stories of them leaving at like 6 p.m. or so, but we just wait. Get here just before 3 o'clock so you're ready and have some entertainment, listen to music, having a little talk, chinwag as they say. But yeah, there's more people showing up at the Gare de Voyages. Yeah, so it's going to be a good little trek. So maybe meet some Mauritanians on the train. We're deciding if we should be cargo on our own or one with other Mauritanians and just have a little talk because see how it is. Maybe we want our own little cargo because the train's miles long. Maybe we won't even find any Mauritanians. Let's see. So, still waiting to get on board the world's most dangerous train in the world, the Mauritanian iron ore train. They say a big chunk of the nation's GDP comes off this train. Right on those tracks where 2 British people are taking a selfie, a big chunk of the Mauritanian GDP is going in and out. So yeah, now we wait. It is now, what time is it? It's almost 4, so bring a lot of entertainment if you're ever going to come here, because you've got a lot of waiting. It's supposed to be any moment now, the train. Is that the train? Oh, okay, the train's coming. I'm covering my face in sand. Okay, you see the train. It's on its way. So, it's only an hour and 10 minutes late, so it's on its way. And I heard there's scrap metal metal. I spoke to the Mauritanian. There's scrap metal in the carriages. It's not empty, so that'll be fun. So that wasn't a train. We asked the Mauritanian men like behind me, and they called up the company and said 1 hour. That was just a different train. So we got excited enough. So we got to wait at 5 o'clock for it to come. So yeah, we're prepared to Mauritania for the world's most dangerous train. Bloody hell.
It's an air rifle.
Oh, it's an air rifle. Why is that bloody air rifle
Inside this train. Could be some empty carts, some scrap metal. We're gonna see how easy it is to get comfortable. We're ready to go all the way up into the Sahara.
So it's like 6 o'clock now, so I'm gonna have some baguette with meat stew inside it. That's gonna be my dinner. It's about 100 ojuda, so like £2, maybe a little bit less than £2. You want some baguette with meat inside?
I'm good, thank you though.
Oh, well, I'm having some. Nico had it, it's pretty good.
Yeah, good stuff.
Yeah. Alright, I forgot about the times by 10 exchange thing. And it's also fish, it's poisson. So it was about, what is it, like 20p? Less, I think it's less than 20p. Good deal.
I was taught by the master.
Sometimes wearing a turban is just a natural talent. So we've been waiting 3 hours. What time is it? Should be coming any minute now. It's 6:30. So we've been here 3.5 hours, but someone said it's coming any minute now. So when you're bored, I guess you write a name with cardboards and at least they're using my name now. We're really sunset in Mauritania. Over there is beautiful Noudabou. Looking good. That's my name. Woo! Nico, Sam, Jamie, Billy, Alex. That's me. And the full one coming from the Sahara has just arrived. So it's going to go into Noudabou and take this out, and they're going to unlock it for exportation. This is the main export from Mauritania. Petroleum and iron ore. So that's going to go wherever to maybe even like France or UK or China, where I'm living. Everyone's getting off over there. But we're waiting for one to go that way and get into the Sahara. So my family's on. The wind's taking off my turban. Yeah. I spoke to some more people. It's 2 more hours. So I think it's gonna be nightfall when we get on our train. So yeah, they come to do this train. Be prepared for waiting maybe 8 hours. Some people say they have to wait at midnight, but they got a call from the mining company. So when you get here, call people, and even then that's not reliable. So moved our stuff back in, and the wait is on. Yeah. Lovely Mauritania. It's EDM time. It's like a fever dream.
I know we've got epilepsy right now.
We're gonna ride the train.
Oh, we should do that shit.
We got 20 minutes. The train's coming. Maybe. Ready.
Use that footage.
Oh, it's gonna be on highlights.
That's gonna be on
The thumbnail, boogieing for the train.
So that little song start. Yeah, I thought he wouldn't
Oh, wait.
see you, you know?
Who goes there?
Oh, I can see this. is
It's
gonna
the
be a-
train man.
Oh my god, yours is pretty bright too. What's going on? Wakey,
Wakey, wakey, we got the train.
Too good.
Too good.
I can't believe I needed my sunnies.
I'm right here, I'm right here.
Nico?
I don't know where Nico is. No, he's not.
Nico is there.
Where?
Yeah, comment t'es là?